What's up, Gawdess gang? It's your girl Bree back at it again with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how I do my brows. All the products that I use will be listed in the description box below. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, we're a growing family. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. I'm gonna start with taking my eyebrow pencil from Wet n Wild and dark brown and outlining the bottom half of my eyebrow to create a defined line. And then I'm going to take my spoolie brush to brush those hairs in place. And then I will start outlining the top of my brow and filling in the hairs in between. I'm going to start brushing my hairs up with my spoolie to blend in the product. Now I'm going to take that same brow pencil and start filling in the front of my brow with some light hair strokes. Next, I will take my brow pomade from Makeup Revolution in dark brown and do some hair strokes in there to blend it out seamlessly. Now it's time to clean up our brows. So I'm going to take my concealer from NYX Cosmetic and Golden Honey and start outlining the arch of my brow before going into the front of my brow. Then I'm going to take this brush and just start blending out the concealer at the bottom. Now I'm going to go in with that same concealer from NYX Cosmetics and start cleaning up the top of my brow, outlining a perfect defined eyebrow. Then I'm going to take my blending brush from Wet n Wild and start blending out my concealer. Now I'm taking my spoolie and cleaning the front of my brow to blend the product that's in the front. Now, Gawdess gang, we done came to the end of this tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe. Until our next video.